Alrighty guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a fuel door, specifically the chrome fuel doors on an NB Miata. What's going on with mine is whenever I pull the release lever inside, the door does not pop up, and I'll show you why today. So when you go inside the car, into the center console, there's a fuel door release. You see I'm pulling that, and look at the door. You can see that the cable's working because it's moving the door ever so slightly. And today I'm going to show you how to fix that. Alright, so from inside the car, I used an object to hold up on the fuel door release. So from outside now I can push down on this side and there, I can lift it up. So to go into detail, what's causing this door to not pop up is that plunger right there, the black plunger. There's a spring below that, and if this gets dry, or if it gets dry from lack of lubrication, or if it gets wet and it starts sticking, it will not have enough force to push the plunger up, in turn not opening the door. So I'll show you how to fix that today. Alright, I went down to the local O'Reilly's and I got myself a can of dry lubricant. What this has is a chemical that evaporates, the camera will focus here, evaporates on impact, on contact I should say, and leaves behind a residue that is similar to, it's made by Teflon, and that lubricates there we go, focusing now. Alright, so that, and then that lubricates once the liquid evaporates. So it's a dry lube. Alright, so let's shake the can up and spray in there, just there you go. Alright, now you can see that white coating that's all over everything in there. That's the Teflon coating that I'm talking about. Now let me show you what this does whenever you start to close it. You need to work the product in to allow all the excess liquid to evaporate. And look at that, already. I'm just rubbing off all the excess Teflon. Alright, let's go back inside the car and let's work that in just a little bit more first. Make sure all that liquid's dry. Okay, now you see all the white powder in there. It's nice and coated and it's lubricated perfectly. Alright, so now we'll go back in the car and take the block off the fuel door release and check it out and see how she works. There we go. Push this down. Now whenever we pull. Alrighty, we're back outside. Thought we were going to do this in one take, but apparently my phone in Southeast Texas had a different idea. Because whenever I was about to pop the fuel door here, my phone decided to overheat and shut the camera off, so I had to take it inside and let it cool down for a second. But still haven't tried this out. Y'all will be the first ones to see here with me. So I'll go inside and pull the fuel door release. And there it goes. It opened up. So that's how it should work. Now that we got that PTFE or that Teflon coating on there, should keep it lubed up without sticking for a while here. Just go through and clean up the rest of it, but let's try it a few more times just to make sure that wasn't just a fluke. Nope, and it works. Right when I pull it, 3, 2, 1, the fuel door comes up. Perfect. Alrighty, so that's how you fix a sticking fuel door and a sticking chrome fuel door in an NB Miata.